You are going to love the 2023 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.